Okay. So I've never really talked in any of these videos, but you just gotta see this. Okay. So I'm out here making spoons. This is like the very rough of a spoon. But I'll use the bandsaw to cut the rough, a couple different tools to make the bowl, and I'll sand everything down. But before that, I hand carve a lot of how it's actually shaped out. I'll use the spoke shape, but this part is just, you guys gotta watch this. Just you gotta watch. Just just getting the see how smooth it is. This one, I just spent way too long, and I'll sand down and get these nicks and stuff down, but literally just zoned out and carved this for who knows how long. That was probably 30-40 minutes on one single spoon, just sitting here carving it. And they're nothing special. I don't know. Special to me, I guess.